My 5-year-old son binge watched Hilda on Netflix and wanted me to make a twig figurine. So I am going to attempt to show you how I made that, 3D printing it. And so we started first by getting the official character design and clipping a couple of those images and taking them over to Blender. So what we did was we brought in the couple images. We brought in a side view and a front view, and then basically traced the mesh onto it and then expanded it. And I am by no means very good at doing that, so it doesn't look that great, but it works okay. I mean, this wasn't my final one. This was a little bit earlier, but with some tweaks, it kind of looked like Twig. So then we take it over to the 3D printer after exporting the STL and slicing it, and that's where I'll pick up. Okay, I know I still have to get some white paint because this is not very white. I should have 3D printed the Twig's antlers on top of Twig's head, but I'd have to switch. They were very thin in the in my model, so I didn't print them. So I'm going to try to just make them out of some scrap here. So basically, you have one long antler, and then the other one comes out like so. So I'm going to make a little hole right above the eye here, roughly where the antlers are going to go on either side. And hopefully I can get those in convincingly. They don't look like weird eyes up there, but so if I can melt these together on camera, that'd be great. I doubt I can because I'm going to burn myself here. Oh. Safety first, right? And that's going to move away from me, and I'm not going to get it in camera. Oh well. Well, when I come back, I'll have two antlers here. Okay, I put one of the antlers on, and he looks a little bit like Max from Dr. Seuss's Grinch. The other one will just kind of go in like so. I think I'm going to paint it first before I glue that one on, because I'll just make a mess. I probably shouldn't have put that one on yet, but. So let's get some white paint, if I can find some white paint, and cover up all these imperfections, and then put the black details back on it, and hopefully it'll look a little like Twig. I had to break out the big tools to get this jar of paint open. So little life hack: adjustable wrench fits a tester's bottle nicely, and then grab a pair of pliers. It's the only way I could get that thing off. Now, see if it's any good in there. Yeah, it should do. Alright. Oh, where did I put that?
Daddy, you for making me twig. I'm glad I have it.